Welcome to the Travellink tutorial, Managing Flight Tickets. In the Ticket menu, you can find tickets issued by the agent and, with the proper permissions, tickets issued by the entire agency. This section provides details about each ticket, including its issue date and current status. To void a specific ticket, the platform offers two options. First, at the end of the row, you'll see a red X icon. Clicking it will begin voiding process. Alternatively, you can open the ticket by clicking on it, which will bring up a new window. At the top, the agent can review the ticket number and itinerary. At the bottom, you'll find the void option. Here, you can enter a reason for the void and include any additional comments or observations. It's recommended to confirm the cancellation by checking the booking menu. Once the void is complete, a confirmation message will appear stating, "Electronic ticket canceled successfully," and an email will be sent confirming the void. Thank you very much for your attention and see you in the next tutorial.